been a relatively quiet morning so far, but last night many in our region experiencing some severe weather. This was one of those hard hit areas. We're talking about New Tazewell and Claiborne County. The Office of Emergency Management there capturing this look at Duncan Lumber Company showing severe damage. In an update just after 8 last night, the agency said that crews were working in that area monitoring that damage. They were asking everyone to avoid the area of Main and Front Street while they made sure it was safe. Now, good news though, no injuries have been reported. And Theo, this morning we have learned that it was in fact a small tornado there.
Yeah, that's right. The National Weather Service is going to be sending out a crew today to figure out what intensity it was, how wide it was, how long it was. But overall, it does look like it was a tornado. We could see on a debris tracker. I'm going to show you the wind velocity, kind of the behind the scenes of what we were looking at last night. Today, not nearly as robust as storms. I'm not expecting tornadoes or any sort of severe weather today with just not nearly as much energy in place. Reds are outbound winds from the radar. Green is towards the radar when they're touching or at least very close. That's your rotation. There's your rotation couplet when they touch, pretty much right on North Broad Street. Mainly cloudy right now, just kind of a dreary look, dreary start to our Memorial Day weekend for many of us, starting to see some rain fill in, mainly south of I-40, right along the I-75 corridor from Monroe to Loudoun County, moving up into Knox County, and then just a few sprinkles elsewhere. So Madisonville heads up, another shower on the way, Greenback to Philadelphia, Loudoun, Lenoir City, Farragut, even North Knox, at least parts of the county seeing some rain, and then up towards the Clinton and Norris area, again along northern portions of I-75, seeing sprinkles, light showers, no thunder at all as of this point. 68 right now, Maynardville to La Follette and Oneida, 70 Crossville, Spring City, and Athens. So pretty cool start to the day. We're kind of just hovering right around 70 for many of us because of the clouds. Pretty breezy as well, 20 plus mile an hour wind gusts across the plateau. Where you see the yellows is 30 plus mile an hour wind gusts. So places like Greene County into Sevier and Blount County. So there's the dreariness, the clouds, the sprinkles, the light showers. We'll start to see the thunder as we head really close to midday, if not even a little bit later, 1, 2, 3 o'clock. Notice it's just random scattered showers and storms. Very similar pattern to what we saw yesterday and Thursday, but we just don't have as much instability or storm fuel. So that's why I'm not expecting any severe weather today. And then by sundown, we start to clear out pretty quickly. Looking ahead to tomorrow, I think we start mainly dry, maybe a few light showers, but then looking at our lightning product, look how it really blossoms up from isolated to even fairly scattered lightning really along the I-75 corridor, kind of the valley plateau border there between about 2 and 7 o'clock or so, quickly racing off towards the east. And then once again, very similar to the last several days, once we lose the daytime heating, the sun sets, storms really start to fizzle out. Rinse and repeat, we do it again for your Memorial Day. I think the morning, again, outside of a few isolated showers, looks mainly dry until we get closer towards midday, and by the afternoon it does look fairly numerous scattered showers and storms. This is only for the next 60, 72 hours through Memorial Day night. An additional inch, 2, maybe even some isolated 3-inch amounts across the plateau. That's on top of the inch, 2, 3-inch amounts that we've had. Add Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday into the mix. It does look like less coverage, but I do expect some isolated spots, Austin. It's not out of the question you see up to half a foot of rain over these last several days and then adding in the next few days.
A rainy few days. Theo, thank you.